We are already in contact with lawyers in Dominica and Saint Lucia who undertake the same type of business. As I indicated earlier, the attempt now to dissolve Goodlee is not a bar to us pursuing full disclosure as to who the owners are.
In terms of the proposed price construct and the proposition to choose experts in the Caribbean, is it that there's no one in Belize that can carry out that inquiry?
We, or at least I, identified a number of pieces of legislation which are all Belizean legislation. I pointed out that the Financial Intelligence Unit will be called upon. The question was asked about the tax issues. Those are all Belizeans who will be dealing with that. Whoever is appointed the Attorney General will obviously have to take the lead. We pointed out that the matters will be handed over to the Director of Public Prosecutions. What I said was that we have been in contact, or we have identified firms from abroad who are expert in carrying out forensic audits that have domestic and international dimensions. You see, you need to get an expert who has experience not only in a single country, but to see how things are moving and how to connect the dots and connect the dots to people. It is important that it be done by professionals so that the integrity of the investigation cannot be compromised. And that is what I was talking about when we say that we are in contact with foreign persons and identifying foreign entities to assist.
Realistically speaking, can or will criminal charges be brought against Prime Minister Eamon Barrow?
If we live in a democracy, no one is above the law. If there is evidence as a result of investigation that has been passed to the Director of Public Prosecution, and the Director of Public Prosecution says a prosecution is justified, then, like night follows day, the law must be followed. At present, we don't know. And that is why we are starting the process of putting in place the persons and experts who can conduct the necessary investigations. Under our Constitution, the Prime Minister and all of us are innocent until proven guilty. Up to this point, we have no direct evidence to show that the Prime Minister is involved in a criminal act in terms of monies. We have none. One needs to conduct an investigation before one can even begin to make such an allegation.